so comfortable just being with you. As much when I'm sad or silent as when I'm, in the words of Christine, walking on a cloud. Thank you for seeing my flaws and my strengths, but choosing to focus on the strengths. Thank you for celebrating small victories and offering endless encouragement. But most of all, thank you for the precious gift of certainty.
It's been the greatest joy of my life to find someone that will learn with me, grow with me, and inspire me to the extent that you do. Your love for your family and for mine is extraordinary, and your patience knows no bounds. I admire your sensitivity each and every day, and so appreciate that you make me want to become a better person and a better friend.
Are you married? Dana, Brian,
Once we met him, we understood how she hadn't even finished her first semester at Duke when she mentioned meeting a guy she thought could be the one.
But best of all, we clearly felt the same way about Dana that she did about him. And that was really apparent and obvious right away. So when she introduced Brian to our family, it was like we'd already known him a long time.